me, big G-L-O-N-G-L-E.
Alright guys, so got some exciting news. I've been planning this surprise for Paris now for a couple weeks. She's been working so hard on Airbnbs and creating content for y'all that I figured, you know, to reward her for all her hard work, we'd get her a brand new computer. So I went out and I bought her the Apple iMac M4. I got it from the States. And I hired this company called Kentex, and what they do is they just deliver products from the US to Kenya. And I just got the email last night that it arrived here in Kenya, which is perfect timing because today she's super busy out, so I can go out, I can pick it up, I can bring it back. She'll, you know, she won't even know I'm gone. And by the time she gets home, boom, brand new computer for her. Super big exciting surprise, and I can't wait to show her. All right, follow along. Alright, I'm back finally. I'm like way worse than Paris at getting content, so I forgot to take a whole bunch of shots. Anyway, whatever. It's here. We finally got back. Let's see, how do I... There you go. Ta-da! Dun dun dun! The iMac M4. Very nice. I'll let her unbox it. She'll probably take way better content unboxing it than me, so. Anyway, let's see what her reaction is.
Nimemtumia mwambie atoke hapo. Nilikuwa nashuka gari actually. Nilikuwa kwa lift.
Baby,
Yes, my love.
I want to show you something.
Show me.
Ready?
Yes. For real? Oh my god. This is...
I got
Oh my god. Are you fucking kidding me?
I got the email last night. Remember when I had to hang up the phone because I was talking to someone? I was out getting this.
Shit! You're so sneaky.
Yeah.
And then you know what? Today I called you and I'm like, maybe your cigars are just coming in because I had some guys talking on the background, like in Swahili, and I'm like, who are you fucking talking to? This is an early Valentine gift.
That's right.
Ah! And it's a pink one.
Isn't that cool?
I love it. I can't wait to unbox it. This is so cute. Thank you, baby.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm happy. Oh my god, this is what I've always wanted. Today I'm sleeping with it.
Yeah, right.
On the bed.
Okay. I'll sleep up here.
Oh my god, thank you, baby. This is so nice. I love you. Thank you.
Alright, let me turn this damn thing off.
Oh, you guys were here. You were here when you saw him doing that.
Checky.
I'm excited.
Let's unbox this little baby. I can smell success from here. Okay, let's do this. Ooh. Oh, don't worry, it's not yours. It's mine. Okay, Fast things fast. Sip that champagne. Oh yeah. Let's open this. I don't even know what to call it. What do we call it? Angel? Why is Bill looking at me like that? What do we call it? Look at that. Oh, so fancy. And it's in pink. Ah! It's in pink, guys. Look at that. I forgot to show you guys the color of it. Ooh. Are you ready for the reveal? Yeah. Say nothing. Say nothing. Just shush and admire this. Ah! You're crazy. Sleep, little baby. Oh, it's hard. The fuck? How do you open this?
Pull out.
Huh?
You gotta pull out.
Pull out?
That tab. That tab.
Pull out. Oh. Ta-da! You got your keyboard. It's pink. As you can see, pink is my color. Ooh. Feels so nice. Look at that. It's so fancy. I like this color. Like Apple understood the assignment. As women, we need this. Oh my god, it's so chic. Look at that. Look at that. We got the cute little apple here. It's amazing. We got that. And we got this one to plug it into the wall. So let's plug it in. Okay, I'm gonna get the dogs crazy. Let's get this thing working, yeah?
Hola.
Wow, he has to say all those languages.
Hello. All right.
Nice.
English UK? No, how about just English? Don't want.
Guys, did you just see that? Thanks to this handsome man. Mwah. Love you.
Love you.
I got my early Christmas. Okay. Not Christmas.
Super early or late.
I got my early Valentine's gift, and I am so excited. I cannot wait to use it because, guys, I'm telling you, it's amazing. It's just beautiful.
I'll probably be editing this video on it.
Yeah, this video will be edited on the Mac
M4.
M4. I'm still bad with this thing. iMac M4. So, guys, it will get into me. I'm still not like believing this because this has been one of my dreams to have this, and guys, I have it now. I'm excited and I love it. So happy. Bye guys, see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe. And if you haven't, what are you doing? Subscribe. Okay? Bye.
Buy 2 games each instead of paying 1100. Pay 900 each.
So it's an extra.
You will have for shoes or sneakers on.
Yeah.
So there's no need to wear the shoes.
Oh.
Yeah.
I have these.
Okay. It's okay? Yeah, it's okay.
Perfect.
So just proceed to lane number 7.
7.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
This might actually work. 12. Oh shit. I wanted to know if they had
We're here. Cheers. Oh yes. Now let's do this.
Alright.
Try it.
It's your first time.
First time. Let's see what we're gonna get. I am not good at this, so
You don't know, you might be really good. It's your 1st time.
see.
Okay, let's go. Hold on. Yep. Yeah, but don't throw it. Roll it. Yeah, like that. Like that. Yeah? There you go. Good job. Hey!
I got it!
All right, so now you get one more try. You get one more try to knock down the rest of the pins.
Oh, I'm not done?
You get 2 tries to knock down the pins.
Okay.
Then it's my turn.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right, try 2. Ready?
Yeah.
You're a pro. Hey! Nice work.
I got it, right?
Yeah, you got a lot. There was only 2 left, babe. That's really good.
I'm good, right?
Yeah, it's actually really good. Now I'm gonna try and watch. She's gonna beat me. All right.
No, he's lying. He's good at this. He's good at this.
All right.
I'm good at this. I'm good, right?
And that's great for your first try.
Yeah.
And you didn't even hit the bumper. Ready?
Whoa, that was nice. Wow, nice.
How many did I get?
How did you get those?
I only got 1 left. That's hard. You have to
He
hit
only got 1 left. 1. That's crazy.
Let's see if I can hit it.
Okay. It's okay.
Nope.
God, that's
But-
amazing though.
I'm still ahead of you by 1 point. We'll see what happens at the end of the game. All right, it's your turn now.
Let's go. Nice. That's pretty cool.
see if we can get the other one. Oh, I got one.
There's no light here. Come here. Come here. So guys, we are a tie.
No, we're not. I'm winning.
So he's at 51,
But for now-
I'm at 40.
Yeah, but you just gotta spare.
You see?
Yeah, you see, so she just got a spare. So this next one, if she gets a lot of pins, she's gonna come way ahead of me. How does that make you feel?
It makes me feel like a champion.
Well, you are a champion.
Now I'm going for championship.
Yeah?
I am a pro now.
You're gonna join the league?
I'm joining the league. You guys, it's crazy.
Yeah?
Yeah. Wow. It feels so nice when you hit those balls.
Yeah.
It feels amazing.
It's fun, right?
It's really fun.
All right, it's your turn. Let's see.
Okay.
Nice. That's okay. You're at 48. It's close. Very close.
I really thought I had it. Oh, I'm sad.
No, you're doing okay. Look. Now we're tied.
Okay.
Except for
You
you
have
know,
another round.
I still have another round.